Hello, welcome to your Big Walk Coaching Guide. Exercise in many forms is wonderful for Parkinson's disease. However, there are particular aspects of exercise that appear to be particularly powerful for Parkinson's disease. Exercise for Parkinson's should be persistence, dual tasking, forced exercise, intense and aerobic, and also task-specific. GlideTrack has developed an ideal training regimen which is broken down into 4 different stages. Each individual starts at stage 1 and advances once they are comfortably, naturally, and consistently perform a particular stage. Stage 1. Stage 1 is when the Parkinson's client starts to become comfortable with the GlideTrack and understands the sensation of being unweighted. For Parkinson's clients, the goal is to be about 80% unweighted, just enough so that when your legs are straight beneath you in a standing position, your flexed foot or feet just skim the bottom of the treadmill. Now, it's also important to have a family member or coach nearby. This will help by holding your hand out in front for the Parkinson's client to kick your hand with their foot. That way they can actually have a heel and toe strike. It's also important to go to the side and do a one-legged runner's pose. This is when you lift one leg up and have the coach use the other leg to help guide the foot all the way through to receive the full heel and toe strike. This will then form into perfect strides from heel to toe. Once the client becomes comfortable in stage 1, it is time to move on to stage 2. In stage 2, the big steps will continue. In the same pace with various treadmill speeds, the client will learn about habit training and will also correct their big walk. It is important to slowly take your hands off the treadmill to feel the unweighted sensation. At this point, the client should realize that safety is number 1. There is no way you are able to fall in the GlideTrack with the safety harness. In order to learn about habit training, the client must start with the hands on the treadmill and head is down. Once you pick your head up, you'll be able to grasp the feeling and get a good walk going. At this point, the client should understand the habit training. Habit means head up, arm swing, big posture, intense and aerobic, and train with a purpose. In order to cue habit training into a regimen, it is needed to be consistent and constantly reinforced. Once the client completes stage 2, it is now time for stage 3. Stage 3 will consist of transferring habit to outside and overground training and walking, while also adding balance and dual task challenges to your workout. Habit should be embedded in Parkinson's mind for the purpose of consistency and repetition. Consistency is key for remembering habit. The client should begin to feel comfortable walking outside with confidence. By adding dual tasking, resistance bands, it's important to do 2 tasks at the same time. This will help with also the neuromuscular connection to the brain. Lifting up your feet for core work and flying the machine are also great balancing techniques while on the GlideTrack. Good head and posture is definitely important. Big walks, long strides. Always stay consistent. Now that stage 3 is completed, it is time to take it to the next level. Stage 4, we want to see the clients with all of their weight on the treadmill, incline up to at least 3%, showing that balance is always safe. Once they get to that point, it is time to add intervals, high intensity interval training. Try to run up to a speed of 10 miles per hour. This will really get your heart rate going and give you the best aerobic workout. Thank you.